I heard you want to learn how to make Chipotle Mayo from scratch. Let's do it. So, I personally am obsessed with Chipotle Mayo. I will put that thing on everything, whether it be tacos, in Chipotle style bowls that I make at home. I use it in slaw sometimes and all the things. So I figured since I'm so obsessed with it, I should probably know how to make it myself. So that's how this recipe came about. I like to make small batches of Chipotle Mayo just so that it's not hanging out in my fridge for long periods of time, because I am obsessed with it, but also I don't eat it that often. So the base is going to be mayonnaise. You can substitute real mayonnaise with the vegan version of Hellmann's or the veganaise or veganaise version. It really doesn't matter. It's all about your personal preference. So I'm gonna add that to a bowl. Making sure to get it all out. Then I'm gonna go in with some Chipotle sauce. So this I definitely have in my fridge at all times. I get a can of it. I will put a picture of what the can looks like. You can get this at any type of ethnic market. I know not Chipotle. I know that Whole Foods also has a version as well. So I'm gonna take a big scoop of that and drop it in as well. Then going in with some garlic powder. As well as some smoked paprika. This is what really gives it that flavor, if you know what I mean. If you're also obsessed with Chipotle Mayo, you'll know what I mean. Put that in as well. And then some salt to taste. And then I just get a whisk or a fork and whisk it all together. We want to make sure that there aren't any lumps in our sauce, and then you just put it into a airtight container and you have a Chipotle Mayo that you could put on basically everything. I hope you enjoyed this quick sauce tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what other things you would love to learn how to make. Remember, nothing is too easy or too hard. I would love to walk you through it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember, healthy does not mean boring.